Santi as, for certain kind of people like me, as an immediate meaning. And that means top quality diving dry suit. So I got mine. They are, their peculiarity beside the quality is that they are tailor-made. So they fit, their fitting is perfect. So I got my thick undersuit and the suit with the dry gloves as well. So a little bag with the accessories inside, quite interesting to discover and even more interesting to try it on, see how it fits and go in the water. So soon I will get it wet. I cannot wait. There we go, diving on Sunday with this beautiful rainy, misty, cold December day in the Netherlands. Winter diving. We go, so we test our new gear. It's water looks good. Dark. The sky is pretty dark, but we have lights for that. It's like diving in the night almost. Ready to go diving. Nice new suit for me. Look at that. My Santi suit. I will try, and she will have new BCD today. So we are almost ready to hit the water. The weather is, as you can see, what it is, but that's diving in Holland. So we still enjoy it. Actually, it's pretty nice anyway. Yeah. So maybe see you underwater. beautiful dive. Ah, beautiful, beautiful dive. Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Almost ready. We cleaned up everything. Now we can put away the suits, and then the car is already filled, and then we drive back home and rinse everything, and so then we have a drink later on. Bye bye. Start rinsing everything. That's something we have to do every time after the dive. Even in winter, even it's very, very cold, but yeah, it's part of the fun.